I'm Shakya Rupasinghe under the registration number 4166. So I have chosen the automated currency exchange rate collection as a real world problem to be addressed. In today's global economy, business, banks and travelers need up-to-date currency exchange rates. Manually checking and recording these rates every day is time consuming and filled with errors. So I have designed an automated data flow solution using Apache that features transforms and store live exchange rate data automatically. So when we move into the problem statement, it has noticed some main problems such as exchange rates change every day and need to be collected regularly. And raw data comes in JSON format which is not human readable, and clean data needs to be stored properly for future use. So the proposed Apache Flow address all these challenges and we'll see how it works. So there are mainly four processors and connecting each other. So let's move one by one. The first processor is invoke HTTP. This processor is responsible for the movement of data. It sends an HTTP GET request to free public API at exchange rate API.com and fetches the latest USD exchange rates in real time. This happens automatically without any manual intervention. So the next one, the second processor is evaluate JSON path. This processor handles the transformation of data. The raw data from the API comes as a large JSON file with over 150 currencies. This processor extracts only the currencies we need as USD, EUR, LKR, and so on, and stores them as flow file attributes. The third processor is replace text. This processor handles the processing of data. It takes the extracted currency values and formats them into a clean, human-readable format with labels and proper naming. And the final processor, it's the put file. This process saves the formatted exchange rate data automatically to a local directory for storage and future references. So altogether, this is the solution overview with four processors and each responsibilities are noted as with like this. And this is the demonstration in from my command prompt. So and here you can see there's a green arrow. That means all processes have started now, and you can see them running actively. The flow is now running. Invoke HTTP is fetching live data from API. Evaluate JSON path is extracting the key currencies. Replace text is formatting the data, and put file is saving it to the disk. So and here you can see the output folder where it is saving the files automatically. So here how it works, and this is the live output. The actual content of one of the saved files, you can clearly see the formatted exchange rate in USD, EUR, LKR, and more on, along with the date and the source. So this data was fetched live from the internet and then transformed and saved automatically by the flow. So in a summary, what was achieved with this pipeline, the flow was a real world problem solved, which was the currency problem, and the workflow automated currency exchange rates. The problem, the data movement, the processing, all was the storage thing, and the transform, all were solved by this pipeline. So this demonstrate all three key aspects of data flow architecture as movement, transformation, and processing of data. Thank you for watching.